Welcome again with the syllabus class for grade 3. Today, inshallah, we complete the sessions for this week. We study, inshallah, to a bit ou. Before we know it, what our nationality, quelle est ta nationalité, quelle langue parles-tu, what the language you talk with. Today, inshallah, we'll try to discover, and we talked already about the countries. Today, we'll talk about tu habites où, where you live. Tu habites où, tu habites où, tu habites où. So, to answer this question, I must know some grammars. If I ask you tu habites où, here you must start with your answer using j'habite. J'habite is meaning I live. J'habite. I don't pronounce the letter H. J'habite. After that, I say I will use one of the preposition or the words. I use it before the countries or before the city. So j'habite. After that is preposition or preposition. See here is depend of this country or city. For example, if it's city, I live in Riyadh. I say j'habite ville. Riyadh is ville, is city. For that, I say j'habite à Riyadh. J'habite à Riyadh. So I talk about a city. I say j'habite, I live à Riyadh, is city. J'habite à Riyadh. J'habite à Riyadh. J'habite à Riyadh. Or j'habite à Paris. À Paris. In Paris. So here I use j'habite. After that, in depend of city or country in French. So must focus and you must know the difference between city and country. City is like Riyadh, like Jeddah, like we say Paris, like Paris or New York. I see all that is when I talk about I live in, I say j'habite. After that, j'habite à Riyadh, because it's city. J'habite à Riyadh. J'habite à Paris. Look at now. Before I will complete here, you must remember les articles here, les articles indéfinis. We say that when we talk about the school, we say un or article indéfini meaning un or some. We have un, une, des. Un for masculin is for masculin, une for féminin, des for pluriel. But all of them is un or an or des. You remember this one? Un cahier, un stylo, un garçon. Des, une trousse, une gomme, une fille. Des cahiers, des gommes, des filles. Here I use un for masculin. Here une for féminin, des for pluriel for the plural. The same today, inshallah, we'll study something like that. We talk about the country. So to talk about the country, I need here also to know what the meaning the in English. The in English is le, la, les. Again, le for masculine is meaning the word is not ending by letter E. The most of the words. I have some exception, but all them le come with the words is not ending by letter E. Like what? Le bureau, le tableau. Okay? La for female ending all the time by letter E, but I have exception. La table, la chaise. Les for pluriel. So again, le for masculine, the words is not ending by letter E, like le bureau, le tableau. But if start with vowel, attention, if start with vowel and not ending by E, but not ending by E, so I say L apostrophe here, like ordinateur, l'ordinateur. We take it before this words. La for female, la for female is meaning is ending by E. But what is the difference between la and une? La and une the same, ending by E. But la is meaning the, une, un, and une and des is meaning a or an or some, like I explained before. Like what? La table. But if you start with la chaise, if you start with vowel, I say L apostrophe. Also like armoire. Les for the plural. Les for the plural. Les garçons. Les filles. Les élèves. Mister start with vowel, but even start with vowel, but ending by S, so it's plural. Okay, again. Le, la, les. Le, la, les. Le, la, les. All of them is meaning the in French. Before I told you un, une, des is meaning a or an or some. I use it a or an or some. Like in English, I say un, une, des. But if I won't say the, I say le, la, les. Independent of the verb, I say I love the. But I have a or or an or some. I say j'ai un, une, des. But I say j'aime le, la, les, or L apostrophe. What else apostrophe? I just say it now. If you start the words and I won't say, for example, the, and the word start with vowel, I must use L apostrophe. L'élève, look it here down. Le élève, I don't can say le élève, I say l'élève directly. Look at la élève, because it's élève for masculine, feminine. I told you that before. Say L apostrophe, l'élève, start with vowel. But if it's ending by S, I say les élèves. Hôpital also, if you start with H, start with H. H. H is H. H is not vowel letter, but all the time is, don't pronounce it, never, but all the time is followed by vowel letter. For that I say le hôpital is wrong, I say l'hôpital. La histoire is wrong, I say l'histoire. So here I used, for if I want to say the, I must use le or la or les or L apostrophe. Le for masculine is not ending by letter E. La for féminin is ending by letter E. Les for pluriel. L apostrophe start with vowel or H. Okay? So again, les articles définis is not like les articles indéfinis. Les articles définis, indéfinis, I say un or une or des. It means an or an or some in English. But to talk about les articles définis, it means I won't say the. Because to talk about the country, inshallah, for that we must use the. We must know what the meaning, what the country is masculine and what is the féminin and what is pluriel. What, Mr. Le, I just say it now. La, L apostrophe, les. I accept it again. All of them is meaning the in English. All of them is meaning the. Le for the words masculin or pays masculin, any words masculin is meaning what? Pays féminin is country. Pays, attention, pays, not pays, pays féminin is female. L apostrophe for the pays for the country. Masculin or féminin is meaning feminine, male or female, but start with vowel or ash. Les for the country, pays masculin or féminin. Plural is meaning ending by S. Again, le for the words or country here. Pays masculin is not ending by E. Not ending by E. La for féminin, female is ending by E. Is ending by E. I have some exception, yes, for any any language we have some exception, but this is very small. Start with vowel, like L apostrophe is A, start with vowel, or E is I, or E accent aigu, we'll see it now. And for the other words, it starts with H. But for the country, we say A, I, E, accent aigu. After that, li is ending by S. Even it starts with vowel. Like what, mister? Give me example. I say, for example, le Maroc. Look, it is not ending by E. Le Sénégal, le Japon, le Liban. All of this country is not ending by letter E and don't start with vowel. But I have exception here. Anyway, I have 4 exceptions, but we talk only about 1 exception. Le Mexique. Le Mexique is ending by E, but come with le. La for femina. All the time is ending by E. La France, la Tunisie, la Chine. I don't have exception. No. So except Mexique, go with le. I have start with vowel letter, but not ending by letter S. Like what? L'Irak, l'Italie, l'Egypte, l'Arabie Saoudite is, look at some of this war, some of the country is not ending by letter E but start with vowel. So like Iraq is masculine but come with L apostrophe because it start with vowel and not ending by S. But if it's ending by S, even start with vowel will come with li. L'Italie, l'Egypte, l'Arabie Saoudite. Les is ending by S. Les États-Unis. Les États-Unis. I say Z here. All the time start here is les États-Unis. Because start with vowel. Les Pays-Bas. Les Pays-Bas. Les Émirats. Les Émirats. So, les États-Unis. Les Pays-Bas. Les Émirats. Look at all the time is ending by S. So I use les. What I need this one because I must know for the country. If I say I live where, I must use what before I say for the city. I say j'habite à Riyad, j'habite à Paris. For the city is all of them the same all the time. But if I talk about tu habites où, you live where is something else. Here I say I love. J'aime, look at I use le or la. J'aime, look at le Japon, c'est j'aime le Japon, I love le Japon. J'aime la, look at France is ending by E. J'aime la France, I love France. J'aime la, le or la here is meaning there. J'aime l'Égypte, I love Egypt for example, or l'Arabie Saoudite is start with vowel. J'aime l'Arabie Saoudite, j'aime l'Égypte, it start with vowel also. So start with vowel but not ending by S. So j'aime l'Arabie Saoudite, j'aime l'Égypte, j'aime les États-Unis is plural. So les États-Unis, j'aime les États-Unis. Les États-Unis is ending by S. It starts with vowel but ending by S. So j'aime le Japon, j'aime la France, j'aime l'Arabie Saoudite, j'aime l'Égypte, j'aime les États-Unis. So with the country again, tu habites où? Tu habites où? I say with the city, I say j'habite à Riyad. J'habite à Riyad. I live in Riyadh. But now look at if I talk about the country. Before a country is something else. You have a difference between the country and the city. For the country now, devant les villes, I said for the city, I used what? I used a. J'habite à Riyad. Ville, j'habite à Riyad. J'habite à Paris. Here I used a. I just said that. Now I talk about the countries. Les pays, before les pays. Pays is meaning country. Devant les pays. Devant les pays. Pays is country. Like what? Egypt, Arabie Saoudite. Here is country. I say France is country. Paris or Paris is city. Arabie Saoudite, I say Riyadh is city. But Arabie Saoudite is country. Egypt, we have many city. I like Caire, we say Gizeh, we say Alexandrie. We have many city there. So I say what exactly? Pays masculin. If it's country masculin, you remember les pays masculins, normally we take le. Take what? Le Maroc. Yes, we know that. But if I if I say j'habite, I don't say j'habite le Maroc. I say j'aime le Maroc. I love Maroc. But j'habite is mean I live. I live. After that, N. How can I say is N here? J'habite. After that, huh? J'habite. After that, here is city, is country. For that, I will use the O. I will replace le by, by O. J'habite au Maroc. J'habite au Maroc. J'habite au Maroc. J'habite au Maroc. J'habite au Liban. Au Liban. I don't say j'habite le, because I live. I don't say I live there. I live in. J'habite au Maroc. J'habite au Liban. Ok? Au Maroc. Au Liban. Au Maroc. Au Liban. Au Maroc. Au Liban. For this country masculine. Now, if this country feminin, normally the female take la. Take what? La. Look at now, if I will use with j'habite, what I do it. Normally, la France, I say la France because it's ending by e and don't start with vowel, so I say la. But if I say j'habite, when I use j'habite, la Tunisie also, j'habite, I will cancel la to replace. J'habite en France. J'habite en Tunisie. En France or en Tunisie. Here I say j'habite, I live in. And here is city or country, is country. Is masculin or féminin, is féminin. So I say en. Devant les pays, if the country also, but here, because I told you for the country, I have masculin, féminin, and pluriel. It's meaning ending by S. It's like les États-Unis. I say les États-Unis. But here, if I say j'habite, is something else. Or les Émirats. So here I must say j'habite. I will use O. I will cancel les by O. J'habite aux États-Unis. J'habite aux États-Unis. Because here is country pluriel. J'habite aux Émirats. J'habite aux Émirats. So we have small exam for Delphi exam. Here we'll listen 2 times and check the good answer.
Prépare-toi au Delphi.
So we can listen now together and do it.
S'entraîner pour la compréhension orale.
Regarde les dessins, écoute les dialogues et coche la bonne case. Dialogue 1. Ton pays, c'est l'Allemagne?
Non, mon pays, c'est le Japon.
Le Japon.
Le Japon?
Yes. Can
Oui,
you listen again?
c'est ça.
Quel est le pays du garçon?
Quel est le pays? What the
Écoute
country?
encore.
Ton pays, c'est l'Allemagne?
Non, mon pays, c'est le Japon.
Mon pays, c'est
Le Japon?
Oui, le Japon.
C'est ça.
Quel est le pays du garçon?
C'est le Japon. Le Japon.
Dialogue 2.
De.
Tu as quel âge, Lily?
J'ai 7 ans.
7 ans?
J'ai 7
Oui.
ans.
C'est ça.
Quel âge a Lily?
So you must count.
Écoute encore.
You must count
Tu as quel âge,
the
Lily?
candle.
J'ai 7 ans.
7 ans?
Oui, c'est ça.
7 ans.
Quel âge a Lily?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Dialogue 3. Tu as les cheveux blonds?
Oui, j'ai les cheveux blonds.
Cheveux
Et tes
blancs.
yeux, ils sont verts?
Non, ils sont bleus.
Et
Tu as les yeux bleus?
Oui, oui.
Les
Qui est
yeux.
le garçon?
Les yeux bleus.
Écoute
Les
encore.
yeux bleus.
Tu as les cheveux blonds
Les cheveux blancs, we
Oui.
have two.
J'ai les cheveux blonds.
et tes yeux, ils sont verts?
Non, ils sont bleus.
Ils sont
Tu
bleus.
as les yeux bleus?
Oui, oui.
J'ai les
Qui
yeux
est le
bleus.
garçon?
Dialogue 4. Olivia, tu as de beaux yeux noirs
Merci beaucoup.
et tu es grande.
Mais non, je suis très petite. Très petite.
Qui
Les-
est Olivia?
Les yeux noirs
Écoute encore.
et
Olivia.
petite.
Tu as de beaux yeux noirs
Beaux yeux noirs.
Merci
So
beaucoup.
this or this.
et tu es grande.
The first one right
Mais
or the
non.
middle. So,
Je suis très petite.
but it's petite.
Très
isn't it?
petite.
So small. So this one. Les
Qui
yeux
est
noirs.
Olivia?
Les yeux noirs et les petites. So we can go to another extra sooner, but you will do it at your home, at the homework. So here we'll try to read this one. J'habite aux États-Unis, je suis américain. J'habite aux États-Unis. For here, I write les pays, the country for the first one. J'habite aux États-Unis. So here you must write les États-Unis without O. J'habite, here I say j'habite aux États-Unis. Here I write les États-Unis. Je suis américaine. It's female. Talk about female. Here. Je parle anglais. I talk English. So here, drapeau, you will draw it and color it. Le deuxième. J'habite au Mexique. I live in Mexique. Je suis mexicain. So here is Mexicain. Je parle espagnol. So here we talk about the language. So we write espagnol. And the drapeau is mean the flag of the country. You will color it here. Le Liban. J'habite au Liban. Je suis libanais. So here you write what? Libanais. Je parle arabe. And here you will color it here. So for independent of the country, you can search and do it as a homework. J'habite en France. Je suis français. J'habite en France. So the country is France. So I will cancel en and write France here. Je suis français is already written. Je parle français is already written. Here after the flag, you will color it here. J'habite au Japon. So here written on le Japon. Je suis japonaise. So the girl here is Japanese, write japonaise. Je parle japonais, you will color it with here red one, for example, and here is white. J'habite en Allemagne. Je suis allemande. Je parle allemand. J'habite en Italie. Je suis italienne. Je parle italien. J'habite en Chine. Je suis chinois. Je parle chinois. So you only complete this table as a homework. If it's les is meaning all what you do it, you will cancel O and replace we used les. See, États-Unis, you write it here. The second one, like here, make an example. O Mexique is already cancelled. O and replace it by le. After that, write the country. After that, the nationality is already here for masculin or feminin, male or female. Je parle espagnol. After that, the language we talk with. Like that, we make it and is a homework. For the dictation for this week, we have j'habite en Arabie Saoudite à Riyad. J'habite en Arabie Saoudite à Riyad. Je parle arabe. J'habite en Arabie Saoudite à Riyad. Je parle arabe. J'habite en Arabie Saoudite à Riyad. J'habite en Arabie Saoudite à Riyad. Je parle